magic of television. No, I did these ahead of time.
Bells are all done.
Oh, good, thank you. Let's try to get this without breaking it. Okay. So what I have here is I have a couple different patterns. Where's the other two? What do I do with the other two patterns? I put them somewhere. Did I put them away? Probably, huh? Oh well. We have two more patterns. And I basically just cut. I thought I put them underneath something. Oh, here they are. I did put them underneath something so they wouldn't fly away. And I did the same thing. I cut. I just fold it in half. Fold it in half and just cut. And then if I wanted this symmetrical, I would fold this in half and cut. So I would have a symmetrical pattern. So I did a couple more. Here's another one. Fold it in half, and this is completely symmetrical. Fold it in half and then half again. And then I just cut, cut, cut. And you can do any shape you want. Let your imagination go wild. Just play with it. If you want these particular patterns, we can probably, I'll give them to Michael and he'll load them for you guys. You can have them. There, you see, he has it. He has them.
I have them.
And he can take the collar one if he wants it too. It's the one in the box, that's it. You can take that so you can see the color too. So you will have the patterns, but when I did them, I did one of them in blue. As you can see, this is the gold one I did. And then I did another one in white.
Those are beautiful.
They're not done yet. They're not even done yet.
They're so cool.
They are very cool.
They're cool.
Very cool.
So these are going to hopefully go around the top of the 6-inch cake that we have. Because we're doing the Jester, and then you got the 3 horns coming out the top. It should be in the round, so you should be able to twirl it. Oh, we'll see if it works. It works. So anyway, so we get this. I know you can't ask questions.
No, go ahead.
We'll let it dry.
Go ahead and ask questions. Go ahead. It's okay.
Smart Alec.
We'll get back to you soon.
This one is sloppy.
How long does it take it to dry roughly?
Well, if it's not raining all week,
Yeah, it's not raining.
it really depends on your humidity. The Tylose really helps dry it out. For me, it actually took 2 days because it's been raining for a solid week. In San Diego in October when we normally have Santa Anas, we don't get rain till February. Oh well. So it actually took 2 days, but normally overnight they will dry.
If they crack, what happens? How do you put them back together?
If they break, that's it. You either put them together with icing and use a design to cover it, which is what you're going to see us do on, even though we don't have a crack, but you'll see us add pieces to it. Okay. Otherwise, you're going to make another one. I made these plenty of time. I mean, I made these last week, thinking, oh, no problem. We have a whole week, and then worrying because they weren't going to dry because of all the rain we had. So, anyways, here we have them. We are going to go ahead and pull our Rice Krispie treat out and finish that, and then come back to the masks. Yeah, because that has to go back in. We're going to do the chocolate on the other half, and then put it back in, and then we'll continue with the masks, the white chocolate.